Okay, unboxing the HYPERX CLOUD Stinger. Just got it. So yeah. Gosh, this thing's hard to get up. Just, I hate these little thingies. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, what's this? PS4, you plug it in. Xbox, you plug it in. PC. Okay, then. Look at this. So, how you mute is, instead of it going down, you just put it up to mute your mic. That's pretty nice. Then a little head thingy somewhere right there. Then a little gaming setup. That's what mine's gonna look like someday. Just need the keyboard, mouse. Hyper has conferred you. Ooh, nice. This one gotta unbox it. Okay. Oh guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So it has 2 wires. This is an extension cord. That's nice. That's really useful. Okay, so you just have to twist these little things. Now I got the red and black setup because my controller's all red. This better be a good headset because this headset costs more than my controller. And it's $60. So I'm guessing it's like a really good thing. Okay, and this is it. This is the headset. Okay, so it can turn like that. It's like when you're not using it, just turn it like that. Then now it's muted. Then put it down there. It's not muted. Then you can turn it up, down. Yo, this is pretty nice. Just put it up. So when you hear that snap, that's when it's muted. Yeah, that's when it's muted. What is this thing? There's like a little thingy in here. A little tape right there. I'm so excited to do that. Yo guys, this is so sick. Okay. Well, you're going to see some videos of this. So, that's all I got. And make sure to go look at the video I just posted. It's my gaming setup. And I showed the little headset box in there. And I'm doing the unboxing like right now and after the video. So, then yeah. See y'all guys in the next vid. Peace.